senior guy said firmly, "For all the reasons I just outlined, I don't think that's a good idea." I'd heard enough. No way this infant sweat stain owned and operated a business, so I asked to speak to the owner. They said the owner wasn't reachable by phone. There was a tray of business cards on the desk, so I picked up the one with owner listed on it. While it did have a phone number for the main business line, it also had an email. So I said, "Guess I'll just email him then. Now I need your full names." The junior guy said his name was Ken Lopez. Fine. The senior guy said his name was Brian Smith. I nodded and asked, "Hey Brian, why does your shirt say Andy on it?" I found his real card and took it for my records. I didn't want to give the guy any opportunities to hide behind these bogus excuses, so as I turned to leave, I concluded a final time with feeling. "Just so we're clear, you're saying you will not even let me apply for the job because you won't consider me based on my age and gender." He tried to stay silent at first, but eventually cracked under the pressure and babbled, "Look, it is what it is, ma'am," while his clueless junior counterpart said, "Good luck on the job search," and tried to offer me a coupon for my trouble of having driven all the way there. I had no sympathy for the junior one either, though, because he didn't give me an application back at the beginning when I still thought I was in line for customer service. He took one look at me and got his boss instead to weed me out. So I left shortly after that point and exchanged emails with the owner. I explained what had happened, not only that their people utilized discriminatory hiring practices, but that I'd arrived as a customer and no one greeted me or asked how they could help me, to such a degree of negligence that this situation was allowed to occur without either one ever realizing I was a customer. I still didn't get a job application, but that's quite all right. My current employer probably wouldn't be too thrilled to hear I was shopping for offers. What I did get was a swift, hassle-free repair of my machine and a direct number to contact for the future. The owner also later called to personally apologize and inform me the senior guy had been let go and the younger one disciplined. The kicker? The business owner was a woman. Hey guys, thank you all for watching the video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.